Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. This morning we are on the MSC Magnifica. We're on deck 5, the Sorrento deck, and we're going to look at all the public spaces down here on deck 5 and show you where they are and everything in the bathrooms and different things. We're going to do it in real time. We are starting at sort of the midship stairs, and we are going to stay over here to the right. So let's go take a look at the beautiful Magnifica. As you come into the space, there are 2 guest services desks. One right over here, and they're manned 24 hours a day. There's another one over here, which is, we'll see that when we get to the other side. We've been on several of the MSC ships before. We've talked about the kiosks for activating your cruise card as well as tying your credit card to it. On this ship, they are on deck 5, 6, and 7. All right, this is sort of a gangway area if it needs to be used. We actually came in on deck 6 when we were in port. So here's sort of a main atrium, if you will, right? There's a piano here, nice waterfall. I don't think I've ever seen a waterfall on a ship before, Lisa, have you? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. You know, this ship was built in 2010. As of the time of making this video, it's 14 years old, but we feel it has a really nice look. There's a sign for the future cruise credit, but there's a desk for that. It's not here. So you have a nice lounge area over here, the La Groche, right? Bar and lounge, right? I don't mean lounge as in music because there is a piano guy over there. There was a solo saxophone player playing last night, but here's the bar area here. As you can see, you can get specialty coffees down here. There's a blender, so I think you can get smoothies and things. We'll check out a little bit more when they're open. So here is your Ladera restaurant. As you can see, it's currently closed. We'll see if we can get in from the other side. If not, we'll, break in maybe. I don't know. So we're cutting across to the other side. There are actually 4 main elevator shafts. There's a forward. We can call the one we started at, we can probably call that the forward mid. This is the aft mid, and then there's aft stairs. Oh, and I missed the restroom? I missed the restroom. Oh, yeah. Ladies right there. Little flared skirt. The men's room is, I'm assuming on the other side, it won't have that flared skirt. There you go, there's the men's room. All right. No, they have it closed. So let's go break in, shall we? Hopefully that doesn't upset them too much. All right, so you have your menus here for the day. We actually, that's our table right there, 552. So yeah, it's a real nice, I think it's a real nice looking here for me personally. Maybe a little, I don't want to call it retro. Again, it was built in 2010. The new ships have such a different look these days. But these nice big windows, they seem to enhance the view. They almost like magnify it. So like when we left Miami, the seas were Okay, so here we are, right back where we started, at least in the restaurant. And hopefully they don't mind too much. All right, so here's another sort of chill area. During the day, there's some nice light coming in there. It's the other side of the Le Grochet bar. I guess it's on both sides of the ship. So depending on, which side you want to hang out, the port or the starboard. And we're on the other side of that.
I love the staircases here.
Yeah, look at that, right? Hanging up for you guys. Beautiful. Love sort of the lighted ceiling. Looks like a star pattern, if you will, right? But I got a grand piano down here. But as I mentioned, there was a solo saxophonist here. Sounded really good. It's a beautiful waterfall. Yeah, this is right where we started. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it threw us off on day one. There's so many stairs. We've gotten used to, cruise ships are pretty standard. They have, 3 elevators. This one's got 4 elevators, and I swear there's another staircase in there with no elevator somewhere.
Yeah, I think so.
Seem to be on. So hopefully these tours will help that out with you. So until we see you again on the next deck or the next ship, be safe.